Topic 8, amazing animals. Okay, we'll watch a video. What are the fastest land animals in the world? Jaký jsou ty nejrychlejší zvířata jako pozemský na zemi in the world, na světě? So, what do you think the fastest animal on land? Podíváme se na video, uvidíme. So, we have a golden eagle. This is a golden eagle. We have feathers, a beak, talons, and a wing. So feathers, these are the feathers, peří. A beak is number one, a sharp beak. Talons is the talons here. And then the wing, it has two wings. There's the wing. Okay. How wide is it from A to B? So how wide, jak je to široký? How wide, široký? It's, can you guess, 1 meter, 2 meter? Is it 50 centimeters? Jak to je? Co si myslíte? Well, it's 2 meters. Wow, it's long or wide. So birds, insects, mammals, fish, reptiles. Okay, so birds, ptáci. So we have, what do we have? We have an eagle, an owl. Insects, hmyz, we have a butterfly, a bug or a beetle. Mammals, savci. So we have a rabbit, dolphin is a savec, and a mammal. Okay, we have a lion, monkey, fish. So ryby, fish, shark, goldfish. Reptiles, plazy, so we have an alligator or crocodile, a lizard. Okay, so we have the words. Okay, so rabbit, dolphin, lion. And okay, so we have animals in different groups, různý skupiny. So, tak vymyslíme další, co tam patří. Přemýšlejte. So, 4 questions. What is your ideal pet? Jaký máte ideální domácí mazlíček? Well, my ideal pet is a dog. Do you think it is good to keep animals in the zoo? Do you think? Myslíte si, že to je dobré? It is good to keep, jako nechat nebo udržet zvířata v zoo? Yes, I do, nebo no, I don't. A proč? Why? Why not? Okay, well, yes, I do. Why? Because, protože, because the animals are protected, so ochráněný. Okay? Why not? So I don't think it's good, pokud si nemyslím. Well, because the animals are not free, jsou na svobodě. Okay, so what are the 10 most endangered animals in the world? Co jsou ty 10 nejvíc? Endangered znamená ohrožený. Ne nebezpečný, ale ohrožený. So tady se podíváme na video. So what do you think? Co jsou ohrožený zvířata? Sad animals. A další podobná otázka. What are the 10 most dangerous animals in the world? Tak to je jiná otázka. Nejvíc nebezpečný, dangerous, nebezpečný animals in the world. Podívám se na to a budete se divit, co je nejnebezpečnější animal in the world. Okay, so then we play a Kahoot, do some games. Okay, so amazing animals. Bye for now.